we doing? Hold on. You ready, Tom?
Let's do it.
So we're in Belmar, Monmouth County Airport. We got this plane, all of those planes down there, and we're about to take off to a big giant group to go do a tour of the Hudson River. So let's get you clipped in and get rolling. Here we go. Okay, we got Pickle in. I'll show everybody. So we've got Pickle in the here. That brings us to the mouth of the Hudson, and then we'll fly into the river from there. The first person in front of us, Sirius Romeo Mike over there. Second, third. So we're going on the Cherokee, right? No, behind the brown Cherokee, not behind the white Cherokee. All right. There it is. So we got the brown Cherokee over there, and we're going to follow them. All right? Right. Yep. At 123L on the frequency, we'll put 123.05 for the second frequency.
Let's break real quick. Are good.
They're good.
All right.
I'll throw 1,100 feet for our altitude here. Remember, we're going to climb out at 80. And then stay at 100 knots, okay? All right. Here's our target, a Cherokee in front of us, and we got a Congo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing the other Cessna. There it is, the white and gold one. They're supposed to be behind us. Hopefully they get their ass moving so that we can. There are photos. It's nice and close. We want as much room for everybody else as
Aviation
possible.
Ventures flight, roll call, 9 Romeo Mike.
There we go.
All right.
You have the flight controls.
I got him.
9 Romeo Mike, ready to go. 789. 789, good to go. Average 234. 234, good to go.
Control.
Personnel 3 Papa Mike. Ready to go. Warrior 573.
Warrior 573.
AVL 123.
123, good to go.
773. 773, affirmative.
Hey, so you'll fly the airplane. I'll do radio calls, okay?
Okay. 244 is good to go.
773 is rolling, and I'm looking for...
I'm a traffic up Skyhawk.
123, Brian.
You're looking for the white and green Cessna, 3 November Delta.
3 November Delta, 773.
All right. We are all set, dude.
Here's my...
Got our chase plane. Your knee board?
That's East
Oh,
River.
that's East River. Yep.
1,
1 to 305. I got it. Try to confuse me, man. Not smart enough to figure that out on my own.
Monmouth traffic, flight of 12 aircraft about to depart, runway 32 Monmouth.
I'm a traffic Skyhawk clear, runway 32, making a left onto runway 321.
12 aircraft. That's pretty cool.
I guess they've done it as many as 30 aircraft.
Really?
Which is...
Aviation Ventures flight, anybody need a run-up? Aviation Ventures flight is good to go. Imran, you can start. Okay, 326 Romeo Mike is rolling.
Hey, so I'm just going to announce rolling 33, or runway 33.
789 rolling. 34 rolling.
3 Papa Mike rolling.
Monmouth traffic, Cirrus 329 Romeo Mike is about to take off, runway 32, Monmouth traffic.
Okay, so as soon as the guy in front of us is rolling, we line up and wait, okay?
Yep.
It would be fun if we all just got lined up on the runway, side by side by side.
We'll get out of your way.
We got plenty of runway, right?
Yeah.
Are you guys going to be taking off, or are you just cutting across?
We're part of the flight.
All right, that. Take your time.
Monmouth traffic, Brown Piper Warrior 32573 is taking runway 32.
Okay, so as soon as he starts rolling, you can cross the line. Don't cross yet. There you go. Monmouth traffic, white and green Cessna departing runway 32. Hey, I got 3 guys in front of us, 4 guys in front of us. You're good. Remember, he's going to be slower than us.
19773, runway 32, line up and wait.
T5, rotate.
Now just pull the power just a little bit. There you go, right there is perfect.
Monmouth traffic, Sky 19773, taking off, runway 32.
Traffic, Diamond, White Diamond is coming onto runway 32, line up and wait.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
786U at 100.
You can go more power. Look at that. We got a whole lineup of people that we're following right there.
Somerset traffic, Cherokee 578, left down 130.
Right up ahead of us. Hey, just start following him. Level off at 1100 and slow down to 100.
Sky Range is 146, line up and wait, 32, Monmouth.
Okay, so remember, we can't really tell if we're getting closer or further, right?
Right.
The only thing we can do is pull the power now, because 100 knots is what we're supposed to be doing, and make small changes to power, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so you see the 2 towers for the bridge, the Verazano Narrows bridge? You can see a tower on the left, and then one on the right is right where the One World Trade Center is.
Yeah.
We're going to aim for the tower on the right, because that's the tower that we're going to go over, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to switch. On the correct frequency now.
I'm passing the tower to my right, though, right?
Yep, just barely though.
When's Broken Bridge to the Bada Milk 500.
River traffic, white, red, moon, east, empty, clock, 1,000 feet northbound.
Okay, so we're going to keep it as tight to the shoreline as possible, okay?
All right.
The entire time. The tighter, the merrier.
Long one to the stop, seat up, go down to the north of the statue, 500, descending straight, crossing. White Cirrus Liberty, 1100 northbound.
White and green Cessna, 1100 VZ northbound. Pretty fucking cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Every time I do it, I'm blown away.
It's awesome.
Keep it nice and tight. He's too far out, so we want
VZ 1100 northbound.
White and green Cessna, Governor's Island, 1100 feet northbound.
White Cirrus, Intrepid, 1100 northbound.
Okay, you can pull it back just a little bit, dude. It's so fucking cool. Every time I do this, I'm just like blown away.
Intrepid, 1100 northbound.
I take it you're usually flying, though, right?
Brown Cessna VZ.
Last time I wasn't.
Northbound.
Last time my buddy Drew was flying.
Clock 1100 northbound.
White speed 1100.
Green and gold Cessna, Statue of Liberty 1100 northbound.
White and green Cessna 1100, clock northbound.
OSL backside of the statue. Southbound ground, go ahead and up with you long.
Skyland,
the Statue of Liberty 1100 northbound.
Is your wing a little bit?
Diamond Statue of Liberty 1100 northbound.
This is pretty nuts, isn't it?
yeah.
White Diamond coming to the clock 1100 northbound.
I believe we're allowed to do this.
Got him in sight? I don't see him.
Yeah, I got him right there. Right ahead of us. Now?
Oh, yep, I got him. Yeah, his brown blends in with the brown over there.
Yeah.
This is 1100 northbound.
Brown Warrior Intrepid 1100 northbound.
Hudson River traffic, helicopters Lincoln Tunnel, joining the river, mid-river, headed south, and we have the traffic in sight. Hudson River.
White and green Cessna 1100, Intrepid northbound.
Hudson River traffic, 7 and J's, Intrepid south. We have the Moody
Concord on top of it.
Up.
Concord on top of
White
it.
Cessna GWB 1100
Cool.
northbound.
White and green Cessna, GWB 1100 northbound.
Hudson River helicopter statue, southbound 500.
I don't see him yet either.
Cessna dropping down to circle the Statue of Liberty.
Got that guy. The Bristell's turning right now, directly ahead of us. There's the Cirrus. See him?
Okay, yep, got it.
I got that one. Okay, I got everybody in front of us.
Yeah, see that. And then he's going to be turning here in a minute.
Yep. Yeah, I've got all of them in sight.
Okay, there's the one right.
White Skyhawk GWB 1000 southbound.
As soon as he starts turning, you're just going to follow into the turn at the same spot as him, okay?
Okay. Clock 500 southbound, going to statue.
White and green Cessna 1100, tap in Z, reversing course north to south.
Following boat base in southbound 1000.
Just over a little bit more. Remember, you want to hug the shorelines.
44 Stephen, south 1000.
White and green Cessna, GWB 1100 southbound.
44, that's the Joanna Station 500. White Bristol 1100 north.
Lean back a little.
Clock. Look for the statue.
Okay.
Point to the south and switching frequency from road 500.